Hey Larry, I think this would be a good idea. I'm looking at the maps here, Google Maps in 3D of the museum and all that. I think it would be good because, first of all, I like that there is a river in front of it, and we could get all the shots of the drone staying on this side of the industrial side of the Fort Smith, shooting that way, avoid any modern buildings. That way, the camera, I mean, the drone would be somewhere around hovering over here, shooting the site. And Dale could use all this in editing, not just for the Ada's scenes, but just in general. I think it would be good to get her there. It's just the question is it gonna be green enough? If you feel like it will be, then it will be good. Um, and I would say yes. For Ada Patterson shots, I think it would be cool to have kind of rotating shots of Ada just walking on the grounds here to where we're gonna shoot straight down on her, where she's approaching the building, where she's leaving the building, and she's just from one place to another one. It could be just straight down shot to avoid any modern buildings or all that kind of stuff. I mean, if yeah. So I think it would be good. All right.